Introducing DeshiCommerce, a powerful, easy-to-use e-commerce solution that simplifies your e-commerce business operation and drives sales. With DeshiCommerce, you can build your online store in minutes without the hassle of coding. You have the power to fully customize the front end of your website. Say goodbye to generic templates and hello to a stunning online store that truly reflects your brand's unique personality in each season. Stand out from the competition and leave a lasting impression on your customers. But that's not all. We understand that sometimes things don't go as planned. That's why we've made order return, refund, and exchange a breeze. Our system ensures a seamless process, giving you and your customers peace of mind. No more headache-inducing paperwork or customer frustrations. For any e-commerce store, reducing abandoned cart is a big challenge. But our intelligent system can track and recovers those forgotten purchases, and you can send them personalized reminders to come back to your store. Say goodbye to missed opportunities and hello to increased revenue. Variety is the spice of life, as well as the business, and your online store should reflect that. Our e-commerce website solution offers you the ability to showcase an extensive range of product variations. Whether it's different colors, sizes, styles, and product materials, you can effortlessly display and manage them all. Engage your customers with endless options and watch your sales soar. Request for demo today. DeshiCommerce. Simplifying e-commerce, delivering happy customers.